Here, listen to this. You're waiting for something, aren't you? You're waiting for me to resolve this situation. Perhaps it's making you feel a little anxious, a little nervous, maybe a bit stressed. Well, good, because that's what augmented chords do. Augmented chords are the sound of anxiety, stress, instability, tension. And when you hear one in a chord progression, you really want the progression to resolve, to get you back on the straight and narrow. And songwriters often use these chords to great effect. But this isn't a songwriting lesson, this is a beginner's guitar lesson, and in this lesson we're going to look at how to form an augmented chord. And stick around to the end, because I'm going to play a few songs that use augmented chords, see if you recognise them. For the augmented chord, you're going to use 4 fingers. But the great thing about it is 3 of the fingers you'll use are the same shape as 2 very common beginner guitar chords. Let's have a look at them, shall we? Here's an E chord shape, a very common beginner's guitar chord. Now take that, lift it up off the fretboard, move it across 1, and then you'll find that we have an A minor chord. Now do exactly the same again, lift everything up, move it across 1 more, and voila, we have 75% of an augmented chord. Now what we need to do is to add the 4th finger, and it's going to go on to the 3rd fret of the D, or the 4th string. And that is the complete chord. Now as for the low E and 5th string or A string, don't play them. Try and mute them. Use your thumb to mute the 6th string. And if you can, try and use your 4th finger, that little finger there, to mute the 5th string. So that's the augmented chord shape. But what chord is it? Is it an A? Is it a B? Is it G? What is it? Well, the great thing about this is that it's actually 3 chords in one. And if you know the notes on the fretboard, you'll be able to tell which chord it is. So we're at the 1st fret, and so this 1st fret of the top E string is an F note. So this shape is an F augmented. That's 1. Number 2, this finger here, your 2nd finger, no, your 3rd finger, is on the 2nd fret of the B string. And that note is a C sharp. So we can also call this a C sharp augmented. This finger here, the 2nd finger, is also at the 2nd fret, but on the G string. And that note is an A. So this is also an A augmented. And what about this one? Well, this one is exactly the same as this. So this note on the 3rd fret of the D string is an F. So we have 3 chords. We have F augmented, C sharp augmented, and A augmented. 3 chords exactly as I said in the title. Would I lie to you? So how is this chord shown in chord progressions in songs? Well, you'll often see the chord followed by the plus sign, or you'll often see it with the first 3 letters of the word augmented, A, U, G. The augmented chord is not one of the first chords you'll learn as a starter guitarist, a beginner guitarist, but it is used a lot in songs. So I'm going to play you a few tunes here. See if you can guess where the augmented chord comes in, and can you guess the song?
3, 4. I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. I was alright for a while. I could smile for a while, but then I saw you last night. You held my hand so tight as you stopped to say hello. For you wished me well, you couldn't tell that I'd been. Our life together is so precious. Together we have grown. We have grown. Although our love is still special, let's take a chance and fly away somewhere alone.
Some great tunes there from a few different eras, and another excuse for me to have a bit of a sing-song. Let me know in the comments, what's your favourite musical era? Is it the 50s, the 60s, the 70s? Let me know down below, I'd love to hear from you. Another great song that uses an augmented chord is the Beatles' All My Loving from 1963. And if you want to know how to play that song, then click the link here. Thanks for watching, happy strumming. What am I talking about?